Part 2 of our SQLite relational database. Another part in planning a database is putting together what's called a data dictionary. This is a data dictionary for my music library that I've been building. It names the tables. It names the field names, the field format, meaning the data type. That really should be data type, shouldn't it? Field data type. And then a description. So in my artist table, let me go up here to find my business rules. An artist can produce many songs. A song can only have one artist. So I have a unique identifier, artist ID, which is my primary key. I have the name of that artist. I have the country. That takes care of my artist table. An artist can produce multiple songs. So I do need to keep each of my song IDs unique. And to connect my artist table to the song table, I have art ID as a foreign key. It references the artist associated with the song. So the three types of data we can have are integer, text, and real. I put in a price in here just so I could show a real. Those are the three that we're going to use primarily. So this assignment is to create a dictionary, data dictionary, for your database. This is my sample database. Let me know if you have any questions.